Good morning, children. Today I will discuss properties of bases. This is the topic of chapter 2 in class 10 chemistry. Bases are bitter in taste. Bitter bitter means कड़वा. जैसे आप खीरे को काटते हो कड़वा हो जाता है bitter, ठीक है ना. With that bitterness of cucumber is due to the presence of some bases. नीम की पत्ती ये भी तो bitter होती है. Means the extract of neem leaves also possess some bases. So bases are bitter in taste. This is the first property. And the second one, they give hydroxyl ions in an aqueous solution. Suppose sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. These substances having hydroxide radicals releases hydroxide ions when they get dissolved in water. Like the acids releases hydrogen ions when they get dissolved in water. So these bases are further categorized as strong bases and weak bases. So you know the strong bases. Strong bases are called alkalis. Strong bases are further specified and are called alkalis. These are KOH, potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. These are strong bases. And the weak base, that is of ammonium hydroxide. So the next property of the base is they changes litmus into red litmus into blue. What happens? Means the base changes the color of red litmus. And what do you know about the litmus? Litmus solution is an indicator. Litmus solution is an indicator. We will discuss indicator after you. Now the pH value of bases is more than 7. That goes to 8 onward up to 14. It is okay. So these properties you have to remember in case of bases. Already I have been discussed in the previous lecture the properties of acids in detail. Now we should have to discuss the next topic, that is acid-base indicators. Indicators are those substances which changes the color in acids and bases. It is okay. You know, natural and artificial, two type of indicators are there. Natural indicator is a turmeric, litmus solution and beetroot extract, and some others are there. Children, you know, when clothes of yellow spot of turmeric you wash by the soap, it goes to red color ना. आप किसी शादी बारात में दावत खाते हो, मसाले गिरा लेते हो सफ़ेद शर्ट पे, पीला लग जाता है कलर और फिर जब मम्मी उसे धोती है तो वो रेड कलर हो जाता है. फिर आप कोई अच्छे डिटर्जेंट की दौड़ में जाते हो, फिर उसे यूज़ करते हो तो सही होता है. सो टर्मेरिक, द कलर ऑफ टर्मेरिक goes yellow to red due to the its indicator nature. In acid base indicator, natural indicator, this is the first one, turmeric. Then litmus solution. Litmus solutions are two types, red litmus and blue litmus, and then beetroot extract. The synthetic indicators, two are very common for your study, that is methyl orange and phenolphthalein. So we have to discuss through a chart what observation you will find out with acids and bases when we use natural and synthetic indicators. At very first we are going to discuss about the acids. Acids, strong and weak acids, means hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid and acetic acid. When all these acids are treated with red litmus, there will be no change, means no change of color will take place, means acids will not change the color of red litmus. It is okay, but all acids will change the color of blue litmus solution. Blue litmus changes into red. It is clear? Likewise, the synthetic indicator phenolphthalein, when we treat any acid, either of hydrochloric, sulfuric, nitric or acetic acid, to phenolphthalein indicator, it will be colorless. Means there may not be any observation, but when we treat any acid with methyl orange, the yellow color of orange color of methyl orange changes into pink. Means when any acid got 1 or 2 drops of methyl orange, then its color will be pink. Ultimately, this is synthetic indicator, this is also synthetic indicator, this is natural indicator, this is natural indicator. So let us have to discuss what happens when these bases treated with the red litmus, blue litmus, phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Children, you know NaOH, KOH and calcium hydroxide, means sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, these are considered to be the strong bases. Ammonium hydroxide, this base is a weak base, but I mean all these bases will show blue color. What observation you will find out? Blue color when these bases are treated with red litmus. It is okay, but the bases when treated with blue litmus, there will be no change of color. But if these bases are treated with the phenolphthalein, which is the synthetic indicator, what will happen? There will be the observation of pink color, correct? But when these bases treated with the solution of methyl orange, that is also synthetic indicator, there will be yellow observation, yellow color. So these data will help you what color you will find out with the treatment of particular indicator with acid and bases. So children, I have discussed in this chapter the properties of acids in detail, and today the properties of bases and what are acid and bases indicators, natural indicator and synthetic indicator, and what observation you will find out during the treatment of these indicators with the acid and bases. Next, we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day.